Pull the hole out of the container. Get the ball brush. Use a wrench to unscrew the frame. Use a small chainsaw to cut through the aluminum plates attached to the frame. Can't cut it completely. Keep a distance from the hole to prevent damage. Remove the aluminum sheet using a small hammer and wrench tool. You can see that the sew-off is still some distance from the hole. Prepare the sander and polish the cut-off area cleanly and smooth. Usually grinding will have a certain angle, so it is relatively smooth. After the bottom of the boat is handled, the boat can be moved to a trailer. Secure the roof and raise it over the bar. Run the wire through the reserve opening before lowering the sealant. There are different numbers on the wires. Connect wires with the same number. There's room for wires underneath. Prepare the wrench and fix the sealant and cabin screws in turn. Screw the nut on top. Then fix the baffle on the outside. There are a total of 8 positions in the cabin to install screws. Closed cabin bolts need to be fitted with doors. Install screws in 14 positions of the door frame.